am Alia Siddhika. I am from Nagaon, Assam. On the tantalizing morning of this holy day, with patriotic fervor and pride, on 15th August, each Indian fills his heart with immense respect and love for his motherland. Being the daughter of India, each year on this day, one unfolds the hues of saffron, pure white and divine green with salutes and tribute. Passed back, it was on this day of 1947 that Indian independence along with its government came into being. The independence, that is freedom, is that of a state in which its inhabitants or population exercise self-government and sovereignty over the society. It is the sort of self-determination that focuses on exercising its power over the population, definite territory, self-ruling government, and trying to be self-reliant. Reminiscence of this pious day, India declares itself to be independent in all respects and got freed from the shackles of British imperialism. A struggle of about 200 years with submission, begging for mercy and hope. A hope to live each day like a free bird. A hope to win through all the battles. And finally, a hope to visualize the dawn of the rising sun, and the nation has led India to learn how to fight back in every situation which comes across to stop her. If we try to estimate the strength of India and its women get to see that it equalizes to live with the pain of dipping a tea bag in a cup of hot tea. The history of India and its independence is an epic in the freedom fight and a challenge to destiny. Diving deep into the reels of India's story, we get to see how our freedom fighters and the sons of India fought for winning the battle and envisioned rising India to be an independent nation. Their invaluable sacrifices led us to live today in a civilized state with each night sleeping comfortably on our bed. It's an inspiration to all our youth to have the courage and celebrate the pride of being born in this country. The echoes of the patriotic songs make the ambience of this day promote India a unique identity. As the youth of the nation, it is our prime responsibility to sacrifice ourselves in contributing to our Mother India. On this day, we should pay a heartfelt tribute to the millions of martyrs of Mother India. At last, I would like to end my speech with a note of gratefulness and a bunch of thank you. I pay tribute to all the noble personalities on this religious day. May their footprints keep on guiding us in creating an incredible and prosperous India ahead, and each day blooming in it to make a better place to live in. I conclude my speech here. Thank you so much and have a great time.